Yun, magandang araw mga kamatik. At eto, para sa kaalaman ng lahat, eto, balikan natin yung kwento ng isa nating kababayan na sundalo na nakatanggap ng Medal of Valor. At ito po ay para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ito po ay nung nangyari yung Marawi Siege. Ayun. Ito yung kinubkob ng Maoti Group ang Marawi. So, ito po ay walang iba kundi si Dan Ryan Bayot, isa pong bayaning sundalo natin. At nagpaiwan siya doon sa gitna ng labanan para mailigtas yung kanyang mga kasamahan ng makalabas ng maayos doon sa lugar ng bakbakan. So ito po siya, panoorin natin.
In the heart of Marawi City, a squad of brave soldiers embarked on a mission that would forever test their spirit. Among them is Private First Class Don Ryan Bayot. As the sun rose, they moved through the war-torn streets, unaware of the peril that awaited them. Suddenly, the tranquility was shattered by the piercing crack of gunfire. The enemy strikes from every corner, bullets fly, grenades explode, a fierce battle that would test their endurance and resilience. Private Ryan finds himself standing alone, a lone warrior against overwhelming odds. Desperate for aid, he calls his commanding officer. Private Ryan makes a selfless decision that will forever be etched in history, shouting into the radio, "Just bomb my location, sir. Take them down with me." Private First Class Don Ryan Bayot is a hero who sacrificed everything in the face of hopeless odds. His unwavering bravery and selflessness will forever be remembered, inspiring generations to come.
Siya yung bayani natin na sundalo na ayan, yung tumawag siya sa kanyang opisyal at sabi niya, bombahin nyo na lang po yung location ko. Bombahin nyo na yung location ko dahil napapaligiran na siya ng mga terorista. So, ang ano niya pa dito, ang isa sa officer niya dito is yung kanyang tatay. So, masakit man sa kalooban ng kanyang tatay pero tinanggap niya rin ito. Ang pagkawala ng kanyang anak ay isang kabayanihan. So, ayan. So, salute po sa ating mga sundalong Pilipino. And maraming salamat at God bless us all. Thank you and bye-bye.